Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of many ACT, SAT, math exams, A-level, O-level, and excelled many national and international board exam solution. So, today's interesting Olympiad math problem is root 39 plus root 3 divided by root 12 and the whole power is 7 equals what? You have to solve this. For this purpose, let us suppose x equals root 39 plus root 3 divided by root 12, and this will become root 39 can be written as root 3 and the root 13 plus root 3 divided by root 12 can be written as root 4 into root 3. Now we can take root 3 as common from this. So remaining is root 13 plus 1 and divided by root 4 can be written as 2 into root 3. So root 3 and root 3 are cancelled out. We have the value of x that equals root 13 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of x. Now this 2 is multiplied by x. We get 2x equals root 13 plus 1. After this, we will write this as 2x minus 1 equals root 13. Now we will take square on both sides. So 2x minus 1 square equals root 13 square. So this will equals, when we open the square, we get 4x square minus 4 of x plus 1 equals 13. Then this will become 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals 13. So we get 4x square minus 4 of x equals 13 minus 1. So that is 12. So 4x square minus 4 of x. Now we will solve this further as we can take 4 as common from this. So remaining is x square minus x equals 12. So 4 is divided by this, so we get x square minus x equals 3. So we get this as x is taken common. So x minus 1 equals 3. Now we will consider this as we will take two values, x equals 3 and x equals 2. So x equals 3. Now we will substitute the value of x, that is we get the value of x that is 3. So in the next step, what will be the value of x square? So we get the value of x square will be x square minus x is 3. So x square equals 3 plus x. This is the value of x square. Now x4 will be equals 3 plus x whole square. That means x4 equals, now we will open this square and get 9 plus 6x square plus x square. So 9 plus 6x square plus x. We will get this as, again substitute the value of x square, that is 3 plus x. So x4 equals 9 plus 6x square plus 3 plus x. That means x raised to power 4 equals 9 plus 3, that is 12. 12 plus 6x plus x is 7x. So we get x4 equals 12 plus 7x. Now we will again take the square of this. So x4 is square and this will be 12 plus 7x square. So what will happen to this? We will solve this further here and get x8 equals 12 plus 7x square. That means x8 equals 144 plus 49x square plus this will become 168x. Now in the next step we will solve this further, substitute the value of x square. So 144 plus 49 and the value of x square is 3 plus x plus 168x. So this will become 144 plus this will become 9 threes are 27, 7 2 carry, 4 threes are 12, 13, 14, 144, 147, 168, 49 twos are so 49x plus 168 x square. So now we will add all the values. So this will become So this will become 144 plus 147 will be equals 291. So 291 plus next term is 49x plus 68. So 816 and 17. 4 plus 6 10 and 11. 217 and this will be divided by x. So this is the value of x8. Now this will be divided by x. So x8 is divided by x. We get 291 plus 217x. So we get 291 and divided by x plus 217 divided by x is by this. So we get answer equals 217 x are cancel out x7. This is 217 plus 291 by x. Now we will solve this further as we will consider the value of x that will be, we will substitute the value of this that will be x. So we have to find the value of x7. Now we will do the next step, that is x7 equals 217 plus 97 root 3 minus 97 and divided this by, this will be cancelled out, divided by 2. So when we multiply this will become 434 plus 97 root 3 minus 97 divided by 2. So what we will get, we will write this here. After solving this we get 337 plus 97 root 3 because 434 minus 97 is 337 and divided by 2. So We will write the final answer that x7 equals 337 divided by 2 plus 97 root 3 by 2. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.